Arena Breakout Infinite, Northridge, Building C storage room. Let's find what's in it, where it is, and whether it's worth it or not. The easiest way to find your way around Northridge or any other ABI map is of course my map linked down below. Created painstakingly by me, lists everything you need to know and much more. Just type what you're looking for, in my case storage room, clicking it takes us straight to where we need to be. As you can see, it's taken us to the right side of Building C all the way up on the top floor. This is where we'll need to head. So, opening up the map in game, we'll head across to the Northridge Hotel located all the way at the bottom center of the map, selecting Northridge Hotel 3F. I'll go ahead and mark this room and we'll make our way over there. This is super dangerous, both populated by players and tons of AI, so keep your wits about you. This is the tallest building here as well, so you can very easily find your way in here. As I'm already inside this building on the second floor, there's a staircase here and a staircase here that can take us up. So let's go ahead and take probably the closest one here. Let's do it. If you find your way up these north stairs here, you've got quite a bit of running to do. You'll need to find your way down this passage, head across to your left. Inside of here, to your right, you'll find where you're supposed to be down here. This room just to the left is what we're looking for. Of course, if you come from these far eastern stairs, it's right next door here. Find your way up these stairs, across here, to the right, storage. Inside of here is where we want to head. Unlock this door and the loot that we have inside should hopefully be pretty good. To our right, we've got a large weapon case sitting right here. For me, contains, could have been juicy, but it's kind of doo-doo. On this back wall here, we've got a grenade box, which contains, in my case, hopefully something good. Yeah, it's okay, could be better. Then immediately next to it, another ammo cache. Again, could be better. Finally, to our far left, this large weapon case here, which for me contains, yeah, nothing too crazy. This room overall hasn't been too kind to me, but if you find some luck in finding weapon attachments, even weapons, this room may be pretty good to you. Overall though, is the key worth it? Well, I'm not too sure about that. Do let me know what you find in here in the comments down below. This place is full of riches, not to mention the free safe located just next to this place, and all of the loot lying around in rooms, etc. Hopefully you found this video useful. You'll find many useful things linked down below. Thank you for watching. My name's been Troubleshoot, and I'll see you all next time. Ciao.